and I'm founder CEO at Meza AI.
Hi, I'm Priya and I'm founder CTO at Meza AI.
Meza AI helps SaaS companies to prevent churn and unlock cross-sell and upsell opportunities from existing customers.
The most exciting thing about Meza is that we are watching customer success move from people skilling problem to software problem.
And for the first time, every customers get attention of your best customer success manager.
Customer success is broken and companies have more data than they used to have before, and there's no clarity from where they could get expansion or churn signal. And the time that we are living in right now is amazing because mid-market SaaS companies receive about 20 to 50,000 conversational messages every day. And that's why the problem becomes quite significant. And because now AI can understand the conversation intent and behavior, this is the best time to be solving this problem.
Our previous company had 2 million users. We had 4-5 customer success manager. We had all the users data, be it product, CRM, Slack, email. But by the time when we know that customer was unhappy, they were gone. We had everything and every data was fragmented. So we thought that there have to be AI which could get across all the system and tell you in a very plain English that these are your customers which are going to get churn, these are the reasons why, and this is the stuff that you could do to make them upsell or cross-sell. That's why we started Meza. Priya and I, we have known each other since we were 10. We are the second-time founders. We previously have built a venture which scaled to 2 million users. And at previous company, as I mentioned that, we faced the problem firsthand and which position are the best folks to build this customer success.
We made around $25K back in college, and for us, that was the first step of starting something of our own.
And this is the problem that we haven't researched about it. This is the problem that we personally have lived with it.
Yes. Yeah, so we are seeing 30% month-on-month growth, and the best part about this is from this thousands of accounts that we are monitoring right now, we have increased our churn prediction from 40% to 96%. It's huge because of how AI has evolved over the years and it can now understand conversation. That's amazing time that we are living in. Yeah, so most existing platforms are system of record. Meza is a decision-making system, which means that platforms like Gainsight, HubSpot, Totango, ChurnZero, these are the platforms that have always show dashboard. And even if they use, let's just say an AI feature, that's still a feature because their entire architecture is based on fixed schema and workflows. While Meza is built AI native from day one. And that's how we are different from the existing tools present in the market right now. And one more important point, these tools were built before AI era, before the AI native culture was there. So yeah, this field is yet to be explored. So we are living in agentic era. AI can finally understand structured and unstructured data, which means AI can finally understand product usage, and it can finally understand conversational data coming from meetings, email, and any message signal that you can think of. And a mid-market SaaS company, they generate, at least at this time, they generate around 20 to 50,000 conversation messages every day, which is why we feel this is the right time to be building the solution right now.
So we understood the problem clearly, but crafting into pitch what investor want to listen, this is what we were missing, and Accelerating Asia has helped us a lot.
Yeah, creating a clear investor and customer narrative is what we needed, and I believe that was the biggest challenge we were facing before Accelerating Asia. You know, coming to Accelerating Asia, our pitch was not that strong. We needed to do more work because there were certain points that we had to focus on which were not clear to us. Accelerating Asia asked loads of questions to us, like keep grinding us. And that's when we realized the kind of things that we should be talking about in our story that comes with our experience and everything. So this helps us brushing our pitch deck and also our assumption regarding the market that we were going through. So there were few things that we needed to pay attention into. So because of so many challenging questions and sessions that we have had, we got a clear narrative of what we should be building right now. So yeah, it's an amazing experience. During our one-on-one call with Craig, there was this very important thing Craig told us. He said that always stay close to your customers. And there was this one use case where, there was this client we were talking to, and we realized that they were having some specific problems that we were not paying attention to. And that's when we got to know that, if we can solve this problem of theirs, we can also upsell our revenue. At the same time, we have also retained that customer for a long period, because now they know that we have given them the personalized customer service that they are looking for. So yeah, I think this was one of the times that Acceleration Asia helped us unlock growth and also solve a very key problem of retention, which is core of our business. Yeah, so I remember we had a session. It was called reverse pitching, and I was put up with Himal. I remember we were thinking that it's such an odd session. Like, why do we need to explain our pitch to someone for 5 minutes and they'll be giving it? It felt odd to us. But after, seeing Himal describing my pitch for 1 minute, like what we were building, it's amazing to see how much clarity you can get from a fellow founder telling about your product to everyone. This shows how much clarity you already have with your product, and if not, what are the things you need to work on. Because if somebody can, tell your story to someone, that too for 1 minute, exactly the problem you have, the things you are trying to do, the market, everything, that tells a lot about whether you are at the right path or the wrong path. So that session made us feel that what we are doing is we are at the right path.
Yeah, we would, because it's one of the best accelerator, not across Asia, but I think in the world. Because what these folks, they give you personalized mentorship, they give, and they tell you what is the step that you need to do in your startup. So of course, this is the best, the accelerator we got in.
And I believe we have had so many meetings with Zelia, and she's been super helpful. The number of times we might have done the same problems again and again, and to see how patient they were, it's amazing. And that's why we will recommend Accelerating Asia to other founders as well.
So we want to make Meza a default intelligence layer for all the customer success team all across the world.
So if anyone is struggling with churn risk or is looking to expand their upsell and expansion opportunities, the first thing that should come to their mind, the first tool should be Meza. And that's when you think we're successful.
So Accelerating Asia help us to compress the learning of months into weeks. And this is what we would have, the best thing that we could have got.
Yeah, and especially when it comes to such programs. I think the 3 days of learning that we have had was wonderful, because when we came to Bali for the session and then now we see our pitch being refined, so many doubts that we have, so many questions that we had are gone, and I think it's amazing to see the improvement.
We want to be one-stop intelligence layer for the post-sales team across all kind of SaaS business in the world.
We're just getting started.